What's up, y'all? So I had a pretty draining day. Had a lot of services I had to do today, and that can be quite draining sometimes. And I had to make product, so like today it was real busy, so I didn't vlog as much, but I do have footage for y'all, so I will throw that in there along with whatever I record for this evening. Now I'm trying to get online for class because I need to be in class, and I don't even have my uniform shirt on. Give me a second, let me put that on. There we go. All right, y'all, so what I decided to do for my video is just a mini haul, beauty haul. I ordered quite a bit of stuff Black Friday and like in the past week that's beauty related. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I got and like what it's for and whatnot. Ooh, look at that little neck roll, y'all. But okay, let me turn the camera around. So first we have this Glamcor Flow. Oh, let me turn that right. Okay, this is by Glamcor. It is a fan, and it also has a suction device on it. So like if you're doing nails, or you know you're using something that has a lot of fumes to it, you can turn this on and it will suck those fumes in. And I've actually tested it out on a couple clients. I opened a brand new glue, and basically they told me they couldn't smell it. So I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 because it actually works. And I also like my light that I use is by Glamcor as well. I really just like their products overall. The fan does have 3 different speeds on it, so of course it's like low, medium, and high. I usually run it on low because the high is kind of loud and the medium gets a little louder too. So that's that. Next, this is an Amazon purchase, the jelly mask by Avery Rose. Is that right? Yeah, Avery Rose. These jelly masks have electrolytes in them. Oh, here they go. And then these are the 3 that you get. You get the Egyptian Rose, the 24K Gold, and the hyaluronic acid jelly mask. And then here's their little code where you can scan it to visit the store. They are in Florida, designed in the US, made in China. There's their email and their actual website. So that's all of that on there. I think this side just shows you how to mix it and how to apply. But these things like work really well. You get just those 3 masks in there. And actually I have some left over from earlier. And so this is what it turns into, a jelly. Like after it sits for the 20 minutes. And you just peel it off. And I absolutely love the peel off mask. Next thing I got is I did finally order my microdermabrasion machine. This one is a cordless microdermabrasion machine, so I really like that it's cordless. They say they have 15 years of experience for healthy and glowing skin, and it's by the company New Dermo. The back pretty much just tells you more about the product, and then this is the actual microdermabrasion machine. So you hit the power button. This is level 1 of suction. That's level 2, and that's level 3, and then it cuts off. It does have the diamond tip on it, so that helps. And then it has a port for charging, so you just plug it up for charging, and yeah, it charges it. I did use this today, and I must say I really like it, because I'm used to my dermabrasion machine being connected to my mag lamp and all that good stuff, because you know that's how we do it in school. And then when you go work in the spa, that's usually how it is. Or you have one that's in its separate box and you plug it to the machine. Well, this one you don't, it's freehand, and I think I like that because it's a little easier to work with when it's freehand. So that is that, and I did get a pink one, y'all, because I'm just girly. Next thing I got from Amazon, some vegetable glycerin. I'm about to get into some soap making, like I told y'all. And this is something that I keep seeing when I look up soap making. So I'm definitely going to add this and try it out in my soap making. This glycerin that I did get is, it's a food grade glycerin. It's pharmaceutical, kosher, and non-GMO. It is not, what's the right word? Because I always get them mixed up, but, oh, lubricants, cosmetics, culinary soaps, fog, and light. You can use this vegetable glycerin for just about everything. I cannot remember. Okay, so there's unrefined and refined. Let me get my phone real quick, y'all, so I could look. Because one of them is the one you don't want. One of them is processed, and one of them is not processed. So let me look up what that. Okay, so this is unrefined glycerin. When you buy products like this, you want to make sure that they're unrefined, because refined means that it has been processed and that it's not going to be pure. And when you're making skin products and products that are supposed to be natural, you want to use natural products. So make sure it always says unrefined. I also got the Rosehip Seed Oil. And I've been doing a lot of research on this one, and it is really good for skin and hair. But I'm using it for soap making as well. This is unrefined. It's by Kate Blanc Cosmetics. And it is organic and, again, unrefined. So I don't know. Just make sure if you're going to buy organic products, make sure they say unrefined, because that's going to make all the difference. But I'm using this in my soap making as well. And I did get this from Amazon. So everything I got from Amazon, I will tag below in the description box. And then for my my Glamcor fan, so yeah, I'll tag all of this stuff in there for you all, and that way y'all can go, and if it's something you're interested in, even like these jelly masks, like it's something you can do at home. It's really not that hard. You get 3 of them. It's $25 now. It's not cheap, but at least with this site, you don't need your license to get them. So like most places, if you're not licensed, you don't get the mask, or you can't get the prices to even get the mask. So that's just that. But yeah, I just want to show y'all these things. And yeah, I have to go back to class now, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow, and hopefully we finally get to this soap making.